The perfect banana bread recipe. Easy to make with a soft and tender inside. You don't have to use the electric mixer in this recipe. We will mix all the ingredients with a whisk and we will have a perfect chocolatey banana bread. In a bowl, put 3 ripe bananas. Mash it with a fork until the texture is very soft. The more it's ripe, the more it will be sweeter in the cake. Add 2 eggs at room temperature, half a cup of melted butter but it shouldn't be hot, a quarter cup of vegetable oil and 1 teaspoon of vanilla sugar. Mix all the ingredients together. I forgot to add the sugar. Add it with the eggs and butter. Add 1 cup of sugar and mix all the ingredients together very well. When they're fully mixed, bring 1½ cup of flour. Add 1 teaspoon of baking powder and 1/4 teaspoon of baking soda and mix all the ingredients together. Sift the flour over the liquid ingredients and mix it all together. And of course you can sift the flour in a separate bowl and then add it to the liquid batter. The batter should look thick like this. Don't overmix it. Add a sprinkle of salt and add 1 cup of chocolate chips. Now with the spatula, make sure that you mix all the ingredients together. You can see how this batter is very easy to be mixed. Now it's ready. Bring your cake mold, put a parchment paper into it, and now we will pour the cake batter into the mold. Make sure that you spread the batter evenly all over the cake mold. Sprinkle a generous amount of chocolate chips on the top and now to the oven, a preheated oven on 180 degrees Celsius. In the middle rack, the heat from the bottom from 45 to 50 minutes. It might take less or more, it depends on your oven. Now it's ready to be served. It smells amazing. You can see the color from the outside. It's very yummy and it's very tender from the inside. Check the cake with a toothpick. If it's clean like this, then the cake is ready. Of course, you have to check it in the oven before removing it. This is a very delicious recipe and very easy to make. I'm so excited for you to try it. Everyone will ask you for the recipe. It's very yummy and tender. Tell me if you're like me. I couldn't wait for it to get cold. I love to eat cakes when they're warm. Try it and let me know your opinion. It's very easy and delicious. صحتين وهنا.